Hi, have you saved an image by an artist but have forgotten to write their name down? And now you've got this picture by an artist without knowing what their name is to reference them. Well, there is a solution. You can use the Google image search. So open a Google tab on Chrome and type in image search into the tab. Go to Google Images. And you will see there is now a little camera in the search bar. Click on this camera and you can either upload the image or you can paste the image URL. So I'm going to upload an image from my computer. Okay, so this is the image that I've searched for, and it will show me lots of similar images that is found on Google. So hopefully, I think this could be the image. And if I follow that link, then hopefully it will take me to a place where it tells me the name of this particular artist. And her name is Patricia Farrar. So now I can go back into that image, which is currently on my downloads, and I can change the name of it. So hopefully now you know how to do a reverse image search on Google. I hope that helps you. Thank you very much.